Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I'm going to be reviewing a pair of Bluetooth headphones. So these are the Bluedio Turbine T4s. Gearbest did send these out to me to review, so as always, links to their website for this product will be in the description below. Starting first off with the sound quality, because that's probably what you guys want to hear about. So the sound is very average on these. You do have a nice pronounced bass with a sub bass, and the mids are also more pronounced. The soundstage is decent. It could be better, but these are a closed back pair of headphones as opposed to an open back pair where you do have better soundstage. But other than that, they do sound very average. There's nothing special about these. Now, in terms of features and design, these first of all look very nice. They're very flashy, and they also have USB Type-C. And another key feature with these headphones is they do have ANC, which is active noise cancellation. So active noise cancellation on these does work for the lower end frequencies, so stuff like fan noise, engine noise, or if you're at the gym, you'll notice that these do filter out the treadmill noises. Otherwise, for the higher end frequencies like people yelling in the gym or weights clinking, you'll pretty much hear all that. So the active noise cancellation within the lower end frequencies does work. But with that said, when using noise cancellation on these, it has a kind of ear fatiguing effect. So I would say that it's similar to if you're on an airplane and you're going higher in altitude, you get that deafening pitch within your ears before the pop. Or does that happen when you go lower in altitude? So I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but that's really the best way I can describe it as. Another way I could describe it as is if you were using an equalizer on a pair of headphones, turn down the mids all the way down and you'll get that sort of different pitch and sound. So I guess this would give you a good idea of what it sounds like. Now back to the sound, I noticed that with these, the right earphone was slightly louder than the left earphone. I don't know why this is, maybe because the battery is located within the right earphone, but then when enabling noise cancellation, the sound became balanced. Now for the comfort, these are relatively comfortable. I did wear them in the gym for long periods of time without any irritation at all. But they are on the loose side. So I have a small head and these were very loose on me. So if you have a smaller head, then expect these to be a little bit loose on you. And I am using them on the smallest level. So these are very large headphones. As you can tell, you have these pretty huge cups. So you have a 57mm driver within these cups. The headband on these I believe is made out of plastic and you have some faux leather covering that. So it kind of feels like a sandwiched plastic. There's maybe some foam in between there, I'm not really sure. Now if we go lower down towards the cups, that part is made out of metal. And it adds a significant amount of weight to these headphones. The ear cups are rotatable to about 90 degrees. The pads that you see here are very comfortable and I believe what's inside is either memory foam or something very similar to memory foam. Now on the back plates of these headphones, I believe that's plastic covering some chrome paint. And then on the right side you have the ANC toggle switch, so you can turn the ANC on and off whenever you feel like it. On the side of that switch you do have some buttons. So first of all you have the volume rocker on the left side, and then on the right side you have a pair on-off button, and next to that you have the play pause button. I believe the buttons are made out of plastic. They're just chrome painted to give it that metal look. And now for the microphone test, let me give you guys a sample of that. I'm now speaking into the microphone on the Bluedio Turbine T4s. So this is what the microphone sounds like. And I'm recording this using the voice memo app on my iPhone 6. Now when it comes to the volume on these headphones, they do get very loud, but unfortunately they don't get that low for that dozing experience. Now when it comes to video and audio playback, I noticed a lot of people complaining about this on Amazon and online, and I've actually tested it out myself with my iPhone 6 and my PC, which is a Dell Inspiron 7559, and I did not notice any delay with audio and video. So again, with my iPhone 6 and my PC, there was no delay with audio and video playback, or at least not noticeable enough to complain about it. Overall, in my opinion, I think that these are a very average sounding pair of headphones, so you're mainly paying for the features here. You have USB Type-C, which is pretty neat. I haven't really seen this that often on headphones, so that's cool. And then you also have active noise cancellation, which does work for the lower end frequencies, but then you have that sound dip, which I was speaking about earlier. Now maybe this is common with all ANC headphones. I've just not noticed it because usually ANC that I use is usually on earphones. So maybe it's just more pronounced because I'm using a pair of headphones. Now for some additional information on these headphones, charge time is 1.5 hours, and you should get about 12 to 16 hours of music playback time, 16 being very optimistic, 12 being realistic. But the good thing with these headphones is you do have that option of switching out to the USB Type-C to 3.5mm jack cable that these ship out with. But just know if you do decide to use these headphones with the cable, the controls will not work. They only work in Bluetooth mode. So that's really cool that you do have an option of using these headphones when the battery does run out. Anyway, that's going to be it for my review on the Bluedio Turbine T4s. Hopefully you did find this review helpful. If you did, please do leave a like. If you guys do want to see more content like this in the future, please do hit that subscribe button. For now, thank you guys for watching, and as always, I'll catch you on the flip side.
Traveling mountains just to find the loudest seas. We set down by the fire, knowing we couldn't hide, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club. I remember the ocean, memories die out too hard. But we were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest seas. We sat down by the fire, knowing we couldn't hide, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy